Hey guys, it's Jaime Zabidi. Somebody just asked me, why are my sales down? I think everyone I'm talking to is saying their sales on Amazon are down for the year. It's not like it used to be, and they're kind of giving up. You know who you are, and I love you, that's why I'm putting out this video, but it's not true. You can build up your Amazon account much better than it was last year, and you can continue growing it. There's no end to how much you can grow, and I'll show you an account that we're growing month after month, year after year, and it's all in the mindset. It's all the mindset. You just have to keep pushing and figure out what's working and what's not working, and any SKUs that are not good, that are not profitable, eliminate those SKUs and just continue to build. So I'll show you one of my clients over here. This account, this is the last 30 days. So in the last 30 days from 9/27 to 10/27, this account alone did almost $2.5 million in sales. And last year, we only did $1.9 million in sales. So we grew. The last 30 days, we grew a lot. Over here, look at the year to date. We did $25 million in sales this year so far. And we still have November and December. So we're crushing it. Because last year, we did $24 million. And this year, we're already at $24 million. And we still didn't even reach holiday season yet. So we're ahead of the game for the month. We're ahead of the game for the year. Let's look at the campaigns. Campaigns, you're going to tell me it's not profitable. Look at this. Last 30 days, we did $1.8 million in sales from the ads at a 19% ACOS. 19% active status is on all. There's nothing hidden over here. And there should be no excuse to why you cannot continue to grow. Amazon is stronger than it's ever been. And your sales should continue growing year after year, month after month. It should just keep growing and going in the right direction. If it's not going in the right direction, something is wrong and you need to take a look at your business. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. And that's it.